Welcome back to Stealthy Finance Tips, where we bring you the best financial tips to help you achieve financial freedom. Today, we're diving into the top 5 money-saving rules to master for financial success. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Let's dive in. Get to know top 5 money myths that keeps you poor. Scene 1. Confused or stressed Simpson, thinking about money. Like Simpson, money myths can hold you back and keep you stuck in financial struggles. Today, we're going to debunk 5 common money myths that stop people from building wealth and provide practical solutions to overcome them. Myth 1. You need a high income to build wealth. Myth. Many believe this myth, thinking that only those with high salaries can save and invest effectively. In reality, building wealth is more about how you manage your money than how much you make. By following smart money-saving rules and living below your means, you can grow your wealth regardless of your income level. A portion of income contribution to savings could be best place to start with. Consider this as Rule 1. Pay yourself first. Before you pay your bills or spend on entertainment, set aside a portion of your income into savings. This habit ensures that you're consistently building your financial cushion. Philosophical insight. Think of this as planting a seed for your future. The more you save now, the more you'll have to reap later. It's about prioritizing your financial security over immediate gratification. You could automate your savings transfers to make this process more effective. Automate your savings to make this process effortless. Automating your savings can remove the temptation to spend and help you stay disciplined and integrated to your savings habit. Myth 2. Living below your means deprivation. Many people think that saving money requires sacrificing all enjoyment, budgeting, and enjoying affordable activities. In reality, living below your means is about making mindful spending choices and finding value in what you have. It's about prioritizing your financial goals while still enjoying life. Budgeting, cutting unnecessary expenses, and choosing cheaper alternatives. Keep this as Rule 2. Live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself but being mindful of your spending and finding ways to reduce costs. Philosophical insight. Living below your means is about valuing what you have and making conscious choices. It's a mindset shift from wanting more to appreciating enough. Meal prepping and using coupons. As mentioned in the video, simple changes like meal prepping and using coupons can lead to significant savings over time. Myth 3. Debt or debit is a necessary evil. Many people accept debt as an unavoidable part of life and don't prioritize paying it off. Paying off your debts and managing the finances should be prioritized. In reality, debt, especially high-interest debt, can be a major obstacle that holds you back from achieving financial success. It's crucial to understand the long-term impact and work towards eliminating it. Credit cards, loans, and the stress of debt. This should be Rule 3. Avoid debt like the plague. High-interest debt, especially from credit cards, can be a significant obstacle to financial success. Philosophical insight. Debt is borrowing from your future self. It's crucial to understand the long-term impact and strive to live within your means to avoid falling into the debt trap. Paying off credit cards and avoiding unnecessary loans. Focus on paying off any existing debt aggressively and avoid taking on new debt unless absolutely necessary. Myth 4. Investing is only for the rich. Many believe that investing requires a lot of money and is too risky for the average person. In reality, investing is a crucial tool for growing your wealth, and it's accessible to everyone. Starting small and diversifying your investments can help you build wealth over time. Keep this as Rule 4. Invest wisely. Investing is how you grow your wealth and ensure your money is working for you. Philosophical insight. Investing is about planting trees whose shade you might not enjoy immediately. It's a long-term strategy for wealth building. Researching investments and consulting financial advisors. As discussed in the video, diversify your investments and consult with financial advisors to make informed decisions. Myth 5. Financial education is unnecessary. Some people believe that managing money is common sense and doesn't require learning. In reality, financial education is crucial for making informed decisions and staying ahead of financial trends. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to build and manage your wealth. Treat this as Rule 5. Continuously educate yourself. The financial world is ever-changing, and staying informed can help you make better financial decisions. Philosophical insight. Knowledge is the greatest asset you can have. The more you learn, the more you earn. Just like in the video, leverage free resources, online courses, and books to expand your financial knowledge and stay up to date. By mastering these 5 money-saving rules and debunking common money myths, you're setting yourself up for financial success. Closing scene. Visuals of a person confidently managing their finances and enjoying financial freedom. Remember, it's not just about saving money, but about creating a mindset and lifestyle that values financial security and growth. Subscribe for more stealthy finance tips. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to Stealthy Finance.